Hi, I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the chicken applique pattern. So this is actually a mix and match pattern, and it has pieces for both a hen and a rooster. Here's how to make it. Okay, this is the video showing how to assemble the chicken, which can be a hen or a rooster, and I'm going to make a hen this time, using a light box. So my light box setup is I've got my light box turned as bright as it'll go, my placement guide, and then a clear silicone mat. I've got all of my pieces prepared and ready to go. So I use Heat and Bond Light. It's a paper-backed fusible adhesive. You fuse it to the wrong side of the fabric, and then you cut out all the pieces on the solid lines. You'll see some dotted lines in the pattern. You can ignore those. Those are only there for people who are not using a light box. So here's how we put it all together. We're going to start with piece number 1, because the numbers tell you what piece is what, but they also tell you what order to lay them down in. So we're going to start with the chicken body. And then number 2 is the wattle. And hens tend to have a little bit smaller wattle and comb than roosters do. So you've got 2 different parts. That's why they say B on them. This is the hen version. The A is the rooster version. Oops, I'm skipping ahead. We need piece number 3. That is the beak. So I am making a blue chicken in honor of Miss Blue, who was my favorite chicken back when we kept chickens. She was a blue Arcana, and she was gorgeous. So number 4 is the head. She was also the nicest chicken. She was very calm. All right, 5 is the comb. There we go. And number 6 is her eye. There we go. All right, that is finished Miss Blue. This is in her elderly years when her head stayed kind of darker blue, but her body turned completely gray. So I went with a lighter colored body there. All right, I'm going to carefully lift up the silicone mat, carry this over to my ironing board, fuse all the pieces together, let them cool, and then peel them off that silicone sheet, and then fuse them onto the quilted block that's going to be the background block. I'll do all the outline stitching, and then I will bring it back here and show you the finished chicken, the finished hen, and also 2 roosters that I made with different colored fabrics. All right, here is one finished rooster. I made 2 different roosters. This one is in fairly traditional colors. It's for a farm animals quilt that I'm working on, where all of the animals are in my farmer's market blenders, but I've got a couple other versions that I made. So this one is the rooster, and it has a very big comb and wattle. This one is a hen. She has a smaller comb and wattle, and also instead of having the deeply pointy feathers that a rooster tends to have around his neck, she's got a softer scallop. You can mix and match these pieces however you like. This one is made all in blues in honor of Miss Blue, who was my favorite chicken back when I used to keep chickens. I have one more version to show you. There's one more rooster, this one made in a little bit wilder colors with this bright purple comb. This is for a lunar zodiac quilt that I'm working on, where all of the animals are in bright gemstone colors and the background blocks are all red. So 3 different chickens, 2 roosters, 1 hen, all one pattern. You can get that at shinyhappyworld.com. I'm Wendy, and I will see you next time.